Working inside a macOS package and spotted a BOM file you've never seen before? This is a behind-the-scenes system file that Apple uses during software installation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll break down what BOM files do and how to inspect them. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange BOM formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. BOM files are bill of materials files used by macOS installer packages to track every file directory and symbolic link installed by a PKG package. They serve as a manifest, enabling the system to verify installations, remove software cleanly, and confirm file permissions and ownership records. macOS BOM files use a proprietary binary format, storing a complete directory tree with file paths, permissions owner, and group IDs, file sizes, checksums, and device entries. The format supports fast index lookups for installation verification and is created by the mkbom command line utility. We suggest testing the BOM file first with the utility macOS installer from Apple Inc. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows treats these files cautiously, as misconfigurations can impair performance. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the BOM file and hit Open with. Test macOS installer if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your BOM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If you're still with me, that BOM file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, listing BOM contents. Open Terminal on your Mac and run lsbomfilename.bom to list all files and directories recorded in the bill of materials. The output displays file paths, permission sizes, and checksums. Add the S flag to show only file paths for a simplified listing of installed components. Next, inspecting package BOMs. Locate BOM files inside macOS installer packages by right-clicking a PKG file and selecting Show Package Contents. Navigate to the Contents folder to find the archive.bom file. Use lsbom in Terminal to inspect which files the installer will place on your system before running the installation. Finally, creating or modifying BOMs. Use the mkbom command line utility to create new BOM files from directory structures for custom installer packages. Run mkbom s-source-and-list output BOM to generate a BOM from a list file. The BOM Utils open source project also provides cross-platform tools for creating and examining BOM files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.